folks, this is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week, we go 9 hours a day, we go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Manifest your true intentions. Regardless of what language you speak, your intent will manifest through the word. What you dream, what you feel, and what you really are will be manifested through what you say each and every day. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 12, NASDAQ up 15, S&P's up 3.5, gold contract up $5.30, trading at $1,780 an ounce. Silver flat at $34.64 an ounce. Platinum up $9 at $1,687 an ounce. Copper down 3 pennies at $3.76 a pound. Light sweet crude got burnt up, baby. Down $3.94 to $87.95 a barrel. It took out the B point, took it out with volume. Oil's on its way to $81. Natural gas, that's trading at $3.42. We get bonds down 2 ticks at $149.27. King dollar up 23 ticks at 80.06. King dollar still going to need a lot more volume. Euro down 21 ticks at 128.99. And the yen's going to give the dollar index a little push here. Up 36 ticks, trading out at 78.52. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You get a flat market. It's up 450. We did 587 million, and sure enough, it wants to basically tag that 1457. That's the way this is set up. 1457, folks, was the high of, Monday. That's the way it's setting up right there on the S&P. We go over to the Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow. We have what the Dow is this. Sideways move out here. $12. I expect the Dow also is going to try to tag that 13,598 level that was left over from Monday. NASDAQ Composite. Now, we take a look at the Composite. What the Composite did, she did $1.6 billion versus $1.6 billion. And she also looks like she's going to tag that baby also. We finished out at 31.35. The high up there is that 31.46, so it's about 10 points. It is 10 points higher. Gold contract. We go over and we take a look at gold. What we have with gold out here, she traded sideways, no juice whatsoever. You know, inside the commodity market in general, folks, what you had is this, is that we had crude oil just got absolutely smoked. That was down 4%. You had natural gas down 3%. Gasoline was down 2.5%. Cocoa off 2.5%. Heating oil was 2%. There wasn't much that was positive inside. You had cotton up 0.4%, gold 0.2, and wheat 0.1. Beans were up 0.1 also. Bottom line, if we go over to the oil contract now, what you have with oil, she came down, wide price spread, accelerated volume. She did all of the above. She blew away the B point. The B point on this, actually, we were going over this yesterday. Your A point on this was 100.73. Your B point is 88.95. You get $12. C point is 93.51, which gives you $81. And how we get into the 81 is going to be a big number. The reason being is that it looks that CL1. If we bring this up on a longer term basis, what you have is there is huge amount of support, folks, at the 75 area. But if it could crack that 75 area, oh baby, you know, you could get 64. But right now, I suspect the first time down. Well, it's not the first time down. It's been this consolidation. But what you do have, by the way, is that you have 3 separate lower tops. And, yeah, you have 2 lower lows. The last low that we had generated out there was in June, and that's when oil had got down to that 77.38 number. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Let's go take a look at the bond market out here. What we have in bonds. We had a sideways market today. You did 300,000 contracts. We're at 149.27. The number this wants to hit is that 150.09. Now, what it would need for an ABC structure on the way up would need 400,000 contracts. You get 400,000 contracts, over 400,000 contracts. That's an ABC structure on the way up with a price projection that is 156, which would bring you over the high that was generated out there in July. Some of the high volume stocks in still a low volume market. Oh, look at that. HPQ. We got to bring that up. Holy cow. So Hewlett Packard got taken to the cleaners once again. Down 222. Oh, baby. This is a monster ABC down. Let me bring this back. Hewlett Packard is packing it in. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Man, this is intense, folks. Yeah, you get a weekly ABC down. Your A point, oh man, there's something wrong here. So check this out. Your A point is $30. Your B point is 16. Let's say it's 17. $13. That's going to be a $5 stock. This is intense. Let me pull this back. I got to bring this back 25 years. A $5 stock for Hewlett Packard? Sure enough, that's what it's going to be. Unbelievable. Okay, so check this out, folks. Actually, go back to 1990. It was $2. $5 stock. That's a price target. Man, oh man, that is intense. Okay, so Hewlett Packard plunges as CEO Meg Whitman projects profit drop. Hewlett Packard Chief Executive Officer Meg Whitman forecasts fiscal 2013 profit that missed estimates and said a turnaround of the computer company won't happen anytime soon. She's sending shares to more than the recent financial performance of Hewlett Packard has not been good, Whitman said in a meeting with financial analysts today. The single biggest challenge facing Hewlett Packard has been the multiple changes in CEO. She said it's going to take longer to right the ship than any of us would have liked. Whitman is and bottom line, folks, the stock is toast. That is shocking. I'll tell you. Let me bring this back up again. And you know, it's shocking. It's not shocking in the context of technically where it wants to go. It's shocking in the context of perceived brand value and all of the above. And sure enough, you know, Hewlett Packard. So Hewlett Packard's high, $66 at the top of the market in 2000. Had plenty of counter-trend bounces that got it up to 54. And, you know, if you take a look at this, this is a classic, you know, off the high, huge volume, breaking swing points with volume. And what is happening here is that, so you're at 1491, you broke the B point broker with volume. The next level down is 1075, but the ABC is down to 5. But check this out, at 1075, that's $265 million on the monthly. And guess what? We did $140 million today. That's going to blow that away. This is going to be a $5 stock. Unbelievable. Some of the other high-volume stocks, well, that was a high-volume stock in a low-volume market, but some of the other high-volume stocks in a low-volume market. You had Microsoft up 20 cents. Let's see, Ford Motor Company was up 15. We had Facebook down 44. Research in Motion was off 21. AIG was up 75. We had Marvell up 36. Halliburton was down $1.06. Inside some of the oils out here, we had Rig off 90. Apache was down 143. We had Oxy off 147. Some of the other large caps out here. Coca-Cola was down 10. You had Big Mac off 58. And let's go over to Big Mac, MCD, because Big Mac had come off those highs, and yeah, she's got larger problems. If we take a look at McDonald's out here, folks, what you have is that McDonald's is making its way down to this $73 level. And right now we're at 90.35. And she also looks like she's going to do an ABC structure on the way down. The high out here was $100, which was generated in January. You came down with volume. You have a high volume low in June at 85. That's $15 A to B. And your C point is 93. 83.78. Unbelievable. You know what's really wild, folks, is that when you do these ABC structures down or up, when you're doing these, do the math behind them first before you try to figure out where it wants to go, because it's crazy. So the last time with volume is 77.59. The ABC structure is 78. You gotta love it. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Just call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. Come right back.